last thing I wanted to show very, very quickly was using Google Earth for timescales. And this one, again, is a pre-canned workspace. I didn't really have time to put this one together. Although it's not that large, it's a bit more complex than I can show. So what have we got in here? Well, what we've got is a whole bunch of different hurricane features. So I'm just going to look at that in the FME Universal Viewer, which is another application we have that lets you look at data in any different format. And so this is what we've got here. We've got a bunch of hurricane tracks for the year 2005, and a whole bunch of points. And we query one of these points, and it tells us where that was and what the hurricane was, etc. So let's run that workspace, and what are we going to get out of it? Well, what we're doing here is we're setting a time scale. So we're tagging each of the hurricane locations with a particular time, date, and location. So now I'm going to open up that hurricane data, and it's going to whip us over to the hurricane zone, the Gulf. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to fiddle with this display that we've got. Let's see. Let's try and find right in the middle of hurricane season. So about there. We're going to bring that up. Oops. Zoom in and hit play. So now what are we getting? Well, I hit the play button, and you might be able to see, I hope, that hurricanes are appearing on this map.
Oh wow, so FME took a look at that hurricane information and produced this time scale.
Yes, so by having FME tag that information with the time scale, when you open it up in Google Earth, you sort of get a time frame running across the top.
And then you found some nice hurricane icon, and you, well, very good.
And so the bigger the icon, the stronger the hurricane was at that point. So it might be a tropical storm, it might be a hurricane. And so we can see that, and in any second now we'll see Hurricane Katrina just zip up and clobber New Orleans. Yes. So anyway, we can. I'm sure we can do with that, reliving that all over again. There we go. So, oh, there we go. Okay, so that was just a very quick demo I wanted to show of using timescales in Google Earth. So I'm going to leave